The last type of indirect proof that we're going to deal with deals with some geometric indirect proofs. So this time I've got a triangle, and I'm giving you that segment MO is congruent to ON, and MP is not congruent to NP. Therefore, my angles MOP is not congruent to angle NOP. So starting with my indirect proof, always starting with step 1, locate your conclusion and state the opposite. So instead of saying angle MOP is not congruent, we're going to say it is now congruent to angle NOP. Going off to step 2 now. This is where we get to start using some of our logical reasoning. I'm going to put this in here on my picture. MOP is congruent to NOP. They already tell me that MO is congruent to NO. That's great. And from chapter 4, when we tried to prove triangle congruence a lot, we can state that OP is actually congruent to itself. We know that as the reflexive property. We've done that a lot. And if I look at our scenario, we should know that the triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. So we're going to say triangle MOP is congruent to triangle NOP by side, angle, side. And therefore, we know that all my corresponding sides and angles are going to be congruent. So MP is congruent to NP by CP/CTC. Remember, that stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hopefully you see the contradiction within here. This last statement, I have MP congruent to NP. And if I look up at the given, I have MP is not congruent to NP. I can't have two segments being congruent and not congruent at the same time. Step 3, I'm just going to point that out. MP and NP can't be congruent and not congruent at the same time. That is your contradiction. It can't be equal and not equal at the same time.